In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make phone numbers callable, the easy way. If you've ever shared a staff list or a customer database and wished people could just tap a button to start a call, this is for you. We're going to turn plain phone numbers into clickable call links inside Google Sheets. And the best part is, those links will keep working even after you export the sheet to a PDF. It's a simple upgrade that saves time and makes your contact list far more useful for anyone using a phone or a computer. Start with a basic table in Google Sheets. You might have a column for names and a column for phone numbers, and then a blank column on the right for the clickable link. Think of that last column as your action column, what people will tap. You can label it something clear, like call. Here's the magic formula. Click the first empty cell in your call column and type equals hyperlink open parenthesis. Inside the first set of quotes, type tell, then a colon, like this, tell. Immediately after that, you add the actual phone number. If the number lives in a cell, you can reference it right after tell. So the formula points to the number in that row. Then add a comma and the text you want people to see, such as call in quotes, and close the parenthesis. The result looks and reads like a friendly button, but behind the scenes, that tell command tells your device to open the dialer the moment it's clicked. Be sure to include the complete number. For example, in the Philippines, keep the leading 0 for local dialing, or use your full country code if that's how your team dials. Consistency matters here, because the link will pass exactly what you provide to the dialer. Keep the visible text short and clear. Call is perfect, so it's obvious what will happen. Now for the payoff. Go to File, choose Download, and select PDF. When your sheet becomes a PDF, those call links still work. That means you can email a contact list to your team, they can open it on their phones, tap the word call, and connect instantly. On a computer, clicking may prompt them to choose a calling app, which is normal behavior. And that's it. You've turned a simple spreadsheet into a tap-to-call directory that works in Sheets and in PDFs, making it fast and effortless for your team to reach the right people right away.